Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, she has it all together? Guess what? That could be you. Welcome to your new favorite space for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, where we level up, glow up, and step into our best self. Hey loves, I'm Chidima and I'm so excited to finally be here on YouTube. If you've ever wanted to elevate your style, master your beauty game, and live a soft, confident, and put together life, this channel is for you. Because let's be real, we are not just existing, we are upgrading. Here, we talk about everything that makes a woman feel her best. How to dress for your body type, effortless beauty hack, and lifestyle tips that would have you glowing from inside out. Whether you're building your dream wardrobe, perfecting that clean girl aesthetic, or learning how to carry yourself with confidence, this is your safe space to learn, grow, and slay. I believe that looking good isn't just about clothes and makeup. It's about feeling good, showing up as the best version of yourself, and creating a life you love. And I'll be here every single week, bringing you top tier content to help you level up in every way. So if you're ready to glow, grow, and get your life all together, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and let's make this journey unforgettable. Before we wrap up, I want to get to know you. Drop a comment below and tell me one thing you're currently working on improving. Whether it's your style, confidence, or overall lifestyle, let's talk in the comments. I'll be replying everyone.